Hello everyone, I am Jaypal Dodiya, a final year BTech Chemical Engineering student at Ahmedabad University. Today I will be talking about how industrial visits and industrial project offered at Ahmedabad University. So industrial visits and industrial project plays crucial role in undergraduate BTech experience because it helps to bridging gap between academic and professional world. So by engaging with industrial projects, we apply theoretical knowledge into practical scenarios. So it helps to gaining hands-on experience, and it will also helps in further studies. Moreover, industrial visits offer invaluable insight into real-world operations, technologies, and helping to understand how work culture are there in industries. So this experience is not only enhancing our experience about field, but it is also helping to understand the professional development and to increase network opportunity. So in conclusion, I would like to say that industrial projects and visits are very essential for undergraduate BTech curriculum because it helps students to gain practical skills, industrial insight, and confidence about the field which they have chosen.